Class 2 English Grammar Chapter 3 Kinds of Sentence. Dear children, last lesson we learned how to make sentence. In this lesson we are going to learn kinds of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences such as statements, assertive sentences, questions or interrogative sentences, happy, sad or exclamatory sentences, request, order or imperative sentences. Now we'll learn one by one. First one, statement or assertive sentences. This type of sentences states or says something about the subject. We say सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ बोलते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं स्टेटमेंट या assertive sentences. Here examples: Sita is a wise girl. Sita is a subject. वो लड़की कैसे है? Very clever girl है. That is called Sita is a wise girl. से साधारण वाक्य. Next one, the sun rises in the east. This is statement. Nobody can change that statement. किसी को बदल नहीं कर सकता. Sun rises in the east. So these kind of sentences we call it statement or assertive sentence. Next one is question या interrogative sentences. This type of sentence asks some questions. It is also known as an interrogative sentence. कभी हम कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, किसी से कुछ पूछते हैं, कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं क्वेश्चन या इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. एंड वी विल पुट क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑल्सो. व्हेन वी राइट वी पुट क्वेश्चन मार्क, स्टार्ट्स विद कैपिटल लेटर. दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर कॉल्ड इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. हियर एग्जांपल्स: वेयर इज ताजमहल? हम लोग क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, कहाँ ताजमहल कहाँ पर है. नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट इज ही डूइंग? वो क्या कर रहे हैं? क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो इट इज कॉल्ड इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट वन इज हैप्पी, सैड और एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. इट एक्सप्रेसेस अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड सडन फीलिंग्स लाइक जॉय, sorrow, anger or surprise. An exclamatory sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a exclamation mark. See, like a mark we put. Now to say this, something surprising, when we see something we say wow, what a wonderful. All this when we say it is sentence is called exclamatory sentence. Now look at examples. A, how sweet the mango is. It's a surprise, so we put exclamatory mark here, starts with a capital letter. Sentence starts with. Next one, what a beautiful flower this is. Wondering, इतना सुंदर फूल है. So this all sentences are called exclamatory sentence. Fourth one is request और ऑर्डर और इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. हम लोग रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, ऑर्डर करते हैं, कमांड देते हैं, उस सेंटेंस को हम लोग बोलते हैं इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस या रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस, ऑर्डर सेंटेंस, कमेंट सेंटेंस से भी पढ़ते हैं. नाउ दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस ऑर्डर्स और रिक्वेस्ट और कमांड्स आर मेड. नाउ लुक हियर, इन दिस सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट यू इज नॉट यूज्ड. सब्जेक्ट इज यू इज नॉट यूज्ड. इट इज बिगिंस विथ ए वर्ब. हम लोग सीधे वर्ब से शुरू करते हैं. किसी को कमांड देते हैं, ऐसे करो, प्लीज़ इधर आ जा, ये करो, वो करो, ऐसे सब ऑर्डर देते हैं. और याचना रूम में रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, उसको सबको बोलते हैं इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस और रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस. एग्जाम्पल्स: ओपन योर बुक. कोई बोलते हैं सीरियस में खड़ा होकर बोलते हैं ओपन योर बुक. इट इज़ ए इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस और रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट वन, रेस्पेक्ट योर एल्डर्स. पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं आपने बड़ा लोगों को आदर करना है. रेस्पेक्ट योर एल्डर्स से ऑर्डर. that you have to do. So these kind of sentences are called imperative sentence. Now I hope you understood the 4 types of sentences. Now something important that you know, how the punctuation marks are used in these sentences. Here, first one, an assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. After starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Then an integrative sentence always ends with a question mark. आखिर में हम लोग क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते हैं. Starts with a capital letter. Sentence starts with a capital letter, ends with a question mark. That is called integrative sentence here, question sentence. Third one, an imperative sentence always ends with a full stop. We put full stop. After every command or order when we give, we put full stop. Sentence ending with. Next one, an exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Look at the sign like this, exclamation mark we put for the exclamatory sentence. Now I have given you some home assignments. Take your copy and write. First one, read the following sentences and name the kind to which they belong. You have to read the sentence and you must tell me which kind of sentence these are. First one, there is water in the glass. This what kind of sentence it may be? Assertive sentence. Next one, shut the door. It is a command sentence or imperative sentence. Next one, is this your book? Say question sentence. Next one, don't make a noise. Order. So it is which sentence? Imperative sentence. Next one, January is the first month of the year. It is a statement. It is a statement. So it become assertive sentence. Bravo, we won the match. This is a exclamation mark is put. Okay, and it is a surprise. So it is a exclamatory sentence. May I go to drink water? This is a question. Okay, next one. What a fine morning it is. Exclamation mark is put. So it is a exclamatory sentence. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. A simple sentence statement. So it is a assertive sentence. How cold the night is. It is a saying how cold the night is. And exclamatory mark is put. So it is a exclamatory sentence. Now those who have doubt, here I have written the answer key. You can check it with your copy and check here whether your written is correct or not. Now B, rewrite the sentence with the correct punctuation marks. Here you have to put the correct punctuation mark. Read it and put the punctuation mark. First one, he is very naughty. Alas, the dog is dead. Third one was Rita. Here. Fourth one, she is a girl. Fifth one, oh, don't come here. Next one, are you tall? Seventh one, please keep silence. Eighth one, what is your father's name? I hope you got it. If not, here I have put answer key. You check it. First one dot. Second one alas. After that you have to put exclamation mark. That's the must be started with a capital letter. Last we must have a full stop. Third one question mark. After the sentence you have to put question mark. Fourth one you have to put full stop. Fifth one again is this a exclamatory sentence. So O, after O you must put the exclamatory mark. Don't come here. After that, full stop. Sixth one question mark. Seventh one full stop. Eighth one again question mark. Now see. Write 5 sentences on the festival of Diwali. This you have to write in your copy. 5 sentences. And you must learn these sentences. First one. Diwali is a festival of light. दीपों का त्योहार है दिवाली. We decorate our house on दिवाली. We decorate house on दिवाली. हम सजाते हैं, घर सजाते हैं दिवाली का दिन. We buy new clothes on this festival. हम लोग नया कपड़ा खरीदते हैं on this festival. We do fireworks and enjoy too much on this day. हम लोग क्रैकर्स जलाते हैं और खुशी मनाते हैं. Fifth one, I love to celebrate दिवाली with my family. मैं पसंद करती हूँ दिवाली अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, फैमिली के साथ मनाने के लिए. Are you happy to celebrate दिवाली? So you will write. If you want to change another sentence, you can also add it. Now in your copy, draw 4 balloons. You draw 4 balloons. Write kinds of sentences. Now you write these 4 kinds of sentences and color them. You must put some color in your pencil colors and write a sentence of that type. After writing this kind of sentence, you make your own one sentence of these 4 kinds of sentences. Okay, now I hope you understood the lesson. Do your studies well. Bye.